In this video, we will go over the network settings of the Seaport family of data acquisition instruments. Both the Seaport 1200 and Seaport 3600 support both static and dynamic IP addressing. This video will show you how to configure your Seaport and Windows settings to work on your network. First, check the switch on the back of the Seaport by the power indicator lights. There are two options, S for static and D for dynamic. By default, all Seaports are shipped switched to static. Use a narrow tool such as a toothpick to toggle the switch to your desired setting. Now, go into the control panel on your computer. Navigate to the Network and Internet settings. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings along the left side of the window. Right-click on the network you have connected your Seaport to and select Properties. On the window that opens, scroll down the list until you find Internet Protocol version 4. Select it, then click Properties just below the list. If you have set your Seaport to dynamic, make sure on this screen that the first option, Obtain an IP address automatically, is selected. Click OK to close this window and close any other settings window still open. Please note that the Seaport and computer must be on the same subnet to communicate successfully. If you need assistance, contact your network administrator. Congratulations! Your Seaport and Windows computer settings are now configured to work together correctly.